job. Stupid work.
Chrissy,
Hey, I'm on my way home.
you sound out of breath.
I'm fine, just walking a bit faster.
Why?
Chris!
Ugh.
What's going on? She's walking home at this hour?
I'm okay, Dad. I turned my location on.
Good. Keep talking to me.
I'm almost out of the alley. I love you guys.
We love you.
Always. If you pace any longer, you'll wear a hole in the floor. Say something.
Her location hasn't moved.
Maybe your phone died.
No. No. She would have called. She always calls. Hello? Hi. My daughter's missing and her location hasn't been updated for hours and something is wrong. Please send somebody to 6527 Oak Shore Drive. Please.
She's probably just... All right, I'll come by.
Chris!
Nice house.
She's missing. Her phone isn't moving.
She said she felt unsafe.
All right, let's not jump to conclusions.
No, you listen to me.
If something happened to her,
All right. Show me the location. You two want to come with me? I do need someone to identify any of her belongings. All right, let's go.
Christy!
Christy!
Christy, are you out there?
Christy!
Chloroform.
What does that mean?
It means this was planned.
This is her bag. Please say something.
I'm searching the streets for nearby cameras.
And?
And I should have taken this seriously from the start.
Yeah, you should have. So fix it.
She's awake already?
It doesn't matter.
Are you sure about this one?
Look at her. She's scared.
Fragile. She won't be here long. Don't you worry, we'll be back for you. I didn't do anything.
But you were here near the alley. We found the rag. You know what chloroform does? Stops people from screaming.
I didn't touch her.
But you were there? That makes you involved. You know what your partner is doing right now? Nothing. She's letting you take the fall.
She said it'd be quick.
Who?
Shaniqua. She said we just grab her, hand her off when we get paid.
Hand her off to who? This is where you decide if she lives.
It's a warehouse off Route 9.
Yes, I told you, we'll have her ready by the end of the day. I told you, I will have her ready by the end of the day. Okay. Well, you have no right to tell me how to do this. I'm the one putting in the work. I'm the one who kidnapped her, and I'm the one who's handling it.
Where is she?
Too late. She's already gone. With the information I have, she's already dead.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
What's your name?
Marilena.
Please bear. Please bear.
Yeah. I thought there was gonna be sound on this one.
That hurt.
Why did you hit your head?
No, I'm not sitting down. It's so awkward having a camera just.
Get the rag and drop it. Walk off. Oh, it didn't even drop. Then do that then. All right.
Okay.
All right, ready? Yeah. Keelan, are you ready?
No.